This stitch combo is written specifically to do the legs of this spider. If you are looking for a cable one forward how-to for another pattern, this might not be what you need. To do this stitch combo, you're going to need a cable needle. Make sure your yarn is pulled towards the front of your work. With your cable needle, pick up the next stitch, pull it to the front of your work. Purl the next stitch, drop it from your needle, pull your yarn to the back of your work, and knit the stitch from the cable needle. Drop the stitch from your cable needle. These two stitches together count as one cable one forward. Pull your yarn to the front of your work. Put the next stitch on your cable needle and hold it to the front of your work. Purl the next stitch. Drop it from your needle, pull the yarn to the back of your work, and knit the next stitch from your cable needle. Drop it from your cable needle. To read the spider glove pattern for free on my website, go to queenbee.com. Next, I'll show you how to cable one back.